Okay, so, hi. You ready for more presents? Yes. What is this?
A book.
A book. What's it about? About bears?
Yes.
Kind of like your monkey book, huh? That one's for Willie.
Huh?
That one's for Willie.
I like it.
Okay, we got more. Let's see which one this is. Who's this one for? This one is for Tail. Okay, look at the book. Look at the book. Okay. Look at the book. Say thanks.
Thanks.
Now. Oh my goodness. You're gonna like this one, Sil.
Yes.
Oh, look what Nana got you. Oh boy. Look, it's a book you can write in. It comes with a marker. And little tiny books too. A squirrel. Look at this. Look, got little tabs that move. What do you think? Let's look through it. Oh, you can. Oh, you know what? You can color letters in it. Watch.
I want to color letters in there too.
Look. There you go. Only on here, on this little part, okay? What do you think of that? Is it neat? What do you say?
Thank you.
To Nana. Say thanks, Nana.
Thank you.
Say I like my book.
I like my book.
Tail. Say
Go
thank you, that's right. For what? For the book?
book.
Nana.
Nana.
Say love you.
Me.
Say Merry Christmas.
Me.
Is there anything else you want to say?
No.
Say love you.
I love you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.